Hey everybody, so this is the second video in my series on the sums of squares and cubes as part of Core Pure 1 Further Maths. In the previous video we looked at using the summation of r squared. In this video we're going to look at r cubed, where we'll use this formula, and again this is provided in the Edexcel formula booklet, so we don't need to be able to derive this, although we could be asked to prove it by induction. Okay, so if we look at the example 2, we've been asked to work out the summation between the first and the 15th term of r cubed. And to do this, we're going to use this formula in terms of n. And you can see for n in this example, n will be the 15. So we'll say that n equals 15. And then we'll put this 15 into the r cubed formula, and we get 1 over 4 lots of 15 squared multiplied by 15 plus 1 squared. And we can work this out and we get 14,400. For the next part, we've been asked to work out the summation between the 4th and the 15th terms. And this formula only works when it starts at the first term. So we can write this as the summation between the 1st and the 15th term of r cubed minus the summation between the first term and the third term. So by working out all 15 terms and taking away the first 3, we're left with the terms between 4 and 15. We know the first one is 14,400, and now we can work out this summation, this time when n is equal to 3. So we'll have 1 quarter, we'll substitute the 3 into here, so this will be 9, then we'll have a 3 plus 1 squared, and that'll be 16. And this works out as 36. So then we'll do from 1 to 15, take away from 1 to 3, and this will give us 14,364. Okay? In the next video, we're going to combine the r squared and the r cubed formulae in a problem solving question.